This is a somewhat typical bathroom in Asia. It has a sink, so that makes it a little bit special. But it has the Asian style toilet, and this is the bathing area. Let's start here. Normally this would be full of water, and what you would do is you would take this dish that they keep here and you would dip it in the water. You would wet yourself, soap yourself, and then rinse yourself off. You would not climb in here and take a bath. That would spoil the water that's stored in here, and you would be very unpopular. Okay, so that's bathing. Now let's get on to the toilet. This over here is the water supply for the toilet. So again, you don't wash your hands or face or anything in here. You use this. And how you use the toilet is you stand here like this, and you position your bottom over the hole. You take your pants down to knee level. You don't put them all the way down or they'll end up in the water over here. And yeah, you do your business. If you don't have toilet paper, you use the water and your left hand and you rinse both. Then when you're done, you take the bowl and you get water from here and you flush everything down. And then it's good form to rinse off the pads, especially if you had shoes on. Rinse off the pads in the surrounding area and return everything to where it was. And that's pretty much it. Okay. Hope you found that useful and interesting in your Asian travels.